Hey, what's up, guys? I got a 2019 Chevy Traverse. So I just recently got a check engine light on my vehicle. I scanned it and it gave me a code. As you can see right here, there's a check engine light. This is the one that I bought at AutoZone for $62. And it comes with the hardware also. So we'll be putting this one, very identical. This original one, and then this is the new one. So first we gotta remove this cover right here in order to get access over there. With the bolt and just pull it a little bit, and it has this clip for this wire. You just clip it, you pinch it together, and you pull it. And this is the original canister, the one that we're gonna be replacing. Okay. Alright, so I already put the hardware that it came with. I put this little ring right here, and this rubber piece over here, and same thing with this one, and this little metal thing inside, so it could be identical like the original one. And then I have the original bolt and the one that it came with. So now we're gonna put it back exactly the way it was. We're gonna clip it to this wire harness until you hear that clip. Alright, so looks like I'm gonna have to remove this throttle body because I can't see where it clips onto. So to make it easier, we're just gonna have to remove it, and I'm gonna pause it real quick just to make the video a little bit shorter, and we'll get back to it. Alright, so it looks like it went away. We had our driver for a little bit,